Oh, hey, welcome to the studio. Come on in. Oh yeah, I forgot. I gotta take y'all with me. All right, look, so welcome to my studio, and I'm gonna give y'all a real quick tour. All right, so this is my studio, and I'm gonna show you guys like section by section. I was thinking, should I show you guys all at once or section by section? We're gonna do section by section, and I'm gonna start off right here. All right, so this is my makeshift camera storage. It has my Canon R. This is what I usually use on shoots right here. It right now has a 50 and 70 to 200 is over there that I got. All right, so this is my 6D. This is my backup camera. So for any reason, if I don't feel like using the R or I leave it somewhere, then I also got the 6D for my backup. This is actually the Canon T3i. I don't really use it no more. Well, I don't use it at all. As you can see, it's taped up. But I got it here just as, you know, to remind me where I'm coming from. But that was my first professional camera that I had. This is what I use to do my voiceovers, so I leave it right here so I can quickly plug it up to my computer and, you know, do a little voiceover action. This is the pouch for the DJI. I'm currently filming y'all on the DJI, if you was wondering, and this is my mount that I use for all my KNF concept tripods. I really love KNF concept, and underneath that I got somewhere that I can put all my mail or whatever I get that's like papers. Then down here is where I keep my miscellaneous stuff. So currently I got my DJI mics in here. These are macro tubes, I think they're called. I got a couple batteries and all types of stuff in here. In my opinion, this place is kind of like a minimalist studio. It is small, so it makes sense. So everything has a space and everything has a reason. For instance, what I just showed you guys is right there. Look how small of a space that is that it's taking up. This is my favorite chair. It's a gaming chair that I got from Walmart, and I love it. I'm so happy that I got it because it's silky smooth. The wheels are silky smooth on it. And then added bonus right here is a foot holder. So I got the foot holder on here, and then also this reclines. I'm telling you, it's worth it when you're doing a shoot and you want to just sit and relax and think for a second, because sometimes you get into those predicaments where you need to think about what you're doing. That's a little regular old chair. This is my like storage corner. So I got these yellow and black bins right here from Home Depot that I keep all my stuff in that I'm not currently using. So any gear or anything that I don't really need currently, I put in here. And underneath is the second one. This is like cleaning supplies. So anything for cleaning spills or anything like that, you'll find it under there. These are my backdrops. I'm out of breath already, but these are my backdrops right here. And I currently have blue, pink, what's this, gray. I think I got a white one in here, and I need to get a brown one. I really like the brown one, but I don't have it yet. I have tan and other colors. All right, moving along from there, this is my basically, I don't know what to call it, but it's the desk that sits next to the shooting area. So that way I can have all my stuff right here quick with me when I'm doing shoots. So let me show you guys what that looks like. So if I was right here doing a shoot and I needed anything, it'll be right here to the left of me, so I can grab this, put it on, and keep shooting immediately. It's like 0 time spent grabbing something from over in this desk. If I'm using, say, my iPhone or anything for any reason, I can grab it, keep shooting. So that's why I like this desk being right here. The first desk was over to the front, and this desk is over right here. All right, so next, let's move over to where I shoot. This is my backdrop. Currently, I got the, I think this is like a bone color right here, or eggshell, I'm not sure, on there. I also have gray up top. That's studio gray, I believe it's called. And then I have black up at the top. I don't usually shoot white because when I'm shooting with this, I can make it look white very easily. So I always keep those 3 up most of the time, unless for any reason somebody wanted a different color. But usually this color is my first go-to, the gray is my second, and the black is if somebody really just wants something different. This is my 7-foot umbrella. If you can see it, let me give you a better shot of that. All right, so this is my 7-foot umbrella right here. When I want really extremely soft light, you don't typically need anything more than just like the 7-foot to give you like a good cast of light. And if you need anything else, I also have my Godox SM, my Godox MS300 right here, bare bulb. If I want like a hard light, that's what I go to. And also right here, I have my Godox SL152. They make some weird names for these. On a glow softbox, and that's what I use for like lighting, for continuous lighting. I will take this, since it's a Godox mount anyway, I can take it off and put it over there or anywhere I need to put it. But for the most part, it stays like that because I'm usually trying to shoot video content while I'm taking pictures. For my rim light right here, I got the Godox V1 and this C for Canon. I only shoot Canon right now. This is a little fern that I feel like it really adds to the look of the studio overall. Let me show you guys. So the fern, I can move it over there, but usually I leave it right here when I got it over there already because I don't feel like moving it back and forth. Let me move some stuff around and show you guys. So normally what I'd have is the model or the client right here with the shot, boom, and I'd be right over here taking the shot. And I got a lot of room behind me, so I don't have to worry. Even though it's a small studio, it still has like a lot of room. So you can see I can keep going and keep going. That's a lot of space for if I need to shoot multiple people or anything like that. And then moving from over here in this area, I got a bunch of tripods and light stands, and this is my lounging area. Like I always say, I like everything that I have to be multi-purpose and functional. So with this, you can lay here if you got something to think about, if you've been like struggling with a concept or anything all day. But say you got some clients coming over, you can just pull this right up and lock it in place right there. So your clients can all sit down if they're waiting on their turn, or if they're waiting on like somebody that I'm currently shooting. And what I like most about this futon in particular is right here, if you unscrew the bottom, you can fold this in half. So if I needed to store it for any reason, that's super clutch. As you can see, I only got 3 pictures up right now. I do plan on adding more pictures as I go, but for now, this is all I got. It's expensive to print pictures if you didn't know, so.
Power on.
Of course, speaker, of course. I'm currently experimenting with a couple of different kinds of frames. As you can see, this is a canvas. This is, I believe, I forgot where I got it from, but this is a bigger frame, and then this is a smaller frame. I do plan on doing like 8x11s too, but for now, that's all I got going right now. And then let's move over to the end. Okay, so right here, I got a carpet. So if somebody wanted to do a shoot where they're like laying down or anything, they can always do that. I think this carpet looks nice, and then, like I said, it's multifunctional. So not only can I just sit here if I'm bored or if I'm trying to think something through, but also I can do shoots on it. This mirror right here, I use it to let the model see themselves while I'm doing the shoot. So while I'm shooting, they can look in and adjust themselves as they please. This is my storage rack right here. I got the boxes for the MS300s that I got. I got some Clorox bleach for some reason. I got my KNF concept box right here. And I got a whole bunch of little miscellaneous stuff that people might need when doing a shoot. Like I got some Vaseline, I got baby wipes, I got Q-tips, swabs, this brush. I don't have no hair, so I wouldn't know nothing about that. I got more brushes. I got, what's this? Cream for your face, cocoa butter, all types of stuff. But this is what I keep just in case somebody comes and doesn't have the things that they need. I always make sure that this is stocked up. And yeah, so that's my little studio right there. I hope you enjoyed that little presentation. That's a first look. So let me show you guys all around. Also, don't mind that trash. That trash is going out after this video ends. I just didn't feel like going outside and getting sweaty and then coming back and shooting this video. But this is what we're looking at right here. I'm in the middle right now, and I'm spinning it around to show you guys. I think it's like 500 or 600 square foot. I'm not sure, but yeah, it does the job for me, and I enjoy it. So thank you guys for coming in and seeing my studio. Now get out.